I don't think there's a word for what that is.
Actually, there is a word for that. It's love.
Hey guys, in this tutorial you can learn how to dub a video in TunesKit AceMovi. Drag and drop the video onto the timeline and then move the playhead to the point where you want to start dubbing. And then go to the top left of the screen, click record. A new recorder window will pop up. Choose record audio only, whether to record the sound from your computer and your recording device. By muting the audio coming out of your computer, you can do the dubbing while playing the video in the background. Click the red button to start recording. When you finish the recording, a new audio file will be generated. Drag it onto the timeline, adjust the position to match the video. And then set the volume of the original audio of the video to 0. Now you can play the video with your own dubbing. When you finish, click export and save the video to your computer. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.